Emmanuel I, Selassie Rastafari, east to the west to the north to the south, just lion out again. They tell them live for pride, and stop from fight, and stop drink rum, and do what's right. They tell them live for pride, and stop from fight, and stop drink rum, and do what's right. Heal him eye in the day and the night, and do what's right. No bother fight, unity and strength, and strength and power. So why you want me war with my brother? I and I don't come out of that cloth here. I come from a cloth full of love. My cloth is wrapped with the turban wrap around the king tune. I and I do come to fight against flesh and blood. I come to fight against spiritual wickedness in high and low places. You see the demons are reaching, so now it's time to rearrange them and give Jah the praises and burn out the wicked. Because in times like this, Babylon for freeze. Because in times like this, them not take heed. Me tell them live for good, me tell them live for pride. Me tell them stop from fuss, me tell them stop from fight. Me tell them live for good, me tell them live for pride. Me tell them stop drink rum, me tell them all unite. Me tell them live for good, me tell them live for pride. Me tell them stop from fuss, me tell them stop from fight. Me tell them live for good, me tell them live for pride. Me tell them stop drink rum, me tell them all unite. Babylon is changing, start rearranging. Treat each other kind, cause that is right. We're just destroying each other like crab in a barrel. See the human fetus, them a kill. And no other race no really want see black man build. Prefer give you big gun fi go kill, and make you destroy one another. Education is the key for a star. Only way you can sure of a better life, guarantee wealth for sure. We tell them live upright, we tell them do what's right, tell them stop from fight, tell them all unite. We tell them live upright, we tell them do what's right, and stop drink rum, and stop from fight. We tell them live upright, and do what's right.